tonight, more calls for property tax relief. Just hours ago, the governor called on lawmakers to reduce property taxes for homeowners. He's proposing an average rebate of $1,000 for each homesteaded property in the state.
But it comes as lawmakers focus on reducing sales taxes instead. And 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio is live in Tampa tonight.
And Miguel, at this moment, not all lawmakers are on board with the governor's proposal.
Courtney, both the Senate president and the House Speaker indicate they welcome the governor's proposal, but need to look more into this. Regardless of what happens, homeowners here just hope for some form of relief. Living in paradise comes at a price.
$1,000 would help.
That's why Bud Smith of Tampa jumped at Governor DeSantis' proposal to give rebates to Floridians with homestead exemptions.
It's just for those property owners in Florida that have property full-time here.
Smith says his property taxes have gone through the roof.
Yes, and it has got up.
The governor's proposal is part of a broader goal to abolish property taxes.
That's not the way good tax policy should be.
Well, the overwhelming majority of local governments are funded by the property tax.
But Manish Bhatt, senior policy analyst with the Tax Foundation, a nonprofit, nonpartisan organization, warns doing so may have repercussions.
And so any discussion of eliminating it necessarily begs the question of where the rest of the revenue is going to come from to pay for schools and public safety and the other things that we enjoy.
Critics cite concerns over where the lost revenue would come from. Much of the focus this legislative session has been on reducing sales taxes instead.
People, one, are not clamoring for sales tax relief, they're clamoring for property tax relief. But it also allows relief for foreigners.
Homeowners like Smith agree.
If it's between one and the other, go for the $1,000 back because the sales tax will affect everybody.
With expenses like insurance up, homeowners hope to see some relief. Now, the governor says the state budget has enough in its reserves to provide some relief in that proposal without having to compromise anything here. His office says the goal is to have these rebates issued December of this year. Live in Tampa, Miguel Octavio, 10 Tampa Bay.
And we'll stay on top of this proposal and others moving forward in the legislature to bring you updates on 10 Tampa Bay Plus. Just download to watch for free on your TV.